Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 SLK 350. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Come around back. SLK 350 badging. Opening up the tailgate. Hard top. Clean set of floor mats. Memory seats. Harman Kardon sound system. A burl walnut and wood trim. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Media display. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Ventilated neck rest. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. Our buttons for a retractable roof. Turn wheel for our infotainment center. This SLK has very low mileage, 24,858 miles. Very clean. If you'd like to view more photos of this SLK 350, visit us at feldmanimports.com.